Hey guys, Lily here. I'm going to share with you some home organization tips. This is the door that I come in every day. My car is parked out there in the garage. And when I come inside, I usually take off my shoes, and then there's no good space for my purse, so it usually just ends up on the floor. And this is not a very good use of my space. It's not organized. There's no system here. What I'm going to show you today is a product that I found and that I'm going to use to try to control some of the clutter that's going on here. And I hope that you can find this useful as well.